स्पेशल चाय।
आज गरम गरम चाय।
साथ में मैंगो अप्पे, 2 cup semolina, 1 cup mango puree, half cup curd, 2 tablespoon melted ghee, 1/4 cup sugar. Sugar depends on the sweetness of mango. Pinch of salt. Mix well. Add half cup milk for the pouring consistency of the batter. Rest for 15 minutes. Take 1/4 teaspoon of soda bicarb. Add little water to mix the soda bicarb well in the batter. It will get mixed evenly. Broken cashews are optional. Heat appe mold. Grease them well with ghee. Pour batter. Cover with lid. Open the lid. Flip it over to cook it from both the sides. Mango appe is ready to eat. Thanks for watching.
तुमने बताया नहीं कैसा लगा।
कमेंट करके तो बताओ।